intelligent, talented, eloquent, elegant.
Can't say it in front of my husband. My stock will go up. You're doing that. Thank you so much.
Thank
Mic पे
you.
बोलो, mic पे बोलो.
I told him once, say all these nice things to me in front of my husband, my stock will go up, and so thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm right now the
Again,
dollar and not the rupee. Yep.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm honored that you selected me. You chose me to read your passages. Especially since I don't read books. I don't read books. The last book I read was Noddy. But I did study English medium, ICSE, so here goes. I think before I start, a thundering round of applause for the verdict, guys. Full on. You can have as much dessert as you want, mister.
Why has this become about me? Tighten your pajamas and read now.
We're doing takht together. I'll be a ras malai. Okay. Karan, control yourself, man.
Some readings for us so you get a flavor of this wonderful book. A little bit of housekeeping to the press. I know you're desperate to take great photos. Please stay where you are. Thank you. Karan, Twinkle, please come on stage.
Hi and good evening. And before I call Tina on stage, I thought that all the praise is now over and done with, and now it's time for me. And thank you, Chiki. I know that you've heard that several times from Tina, that you know that you're not hard enough on her. I'm waiting to hear that from someone very soon. That would be quite nice, actually, in my case. Tina, what do I say about you? Thank God you're not an actress. And you saved me so many times because of that. And by your own admission, you didn't want to be an actor. And like she says to me, that she saved me. And that's why there's Rani Mukherjee in the film, because you have to know that the very first film and the first narration I ever did for anyone on Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was to Tina, and that's why the character's called Tina. And of course, she heard the first half and got back to me and said she doesn't want to do it. I still actually called the character Tina and went ahead. What began from then on was an interesting journey of two childhood friends. And I even went to boarding school because of my mother and her mother, and that was a torturous experience. And that is in my book, so you must read it. That's not by this publishing house, but it's still a book that I wrote. But it began a beautiful journey, as I said, of two childhood friends, and she really has, and I say this, I've seen her through all shapes and sizes, and I'm not talking about her physically. I will not body shame, that's wrong. No one should body shame, and I can least afford to. But shapes and sizes of her career, it's been a wondrous career. From the time, like Shiki said, she started writing columns, to the time that she actually became a celebrated columnist, and then an author, best-selling author, and she just told me how my book sold 30,000 copies and hers sold 130,000 copies. I was shown my place. I was shown my place right before I was here to praise her. Yes, I agree. You are a rock star, a bona fide genius, a talent that it has no bounds, infinite talent, Tina. Glorious, glamorous, beautiful, and intelligent. You break the stereotype in every which way and the glass ceiling. And in this case, your pajamas are forgiving, I'm not sure, but your husband is definitely forgiving. Because I know what he has to put up with every time you come up with a column. There is always a prayer I think Akshay makes, that God, save my house from being stoned, because you never know what you're going to write. This book, I have to say, is an exceptional book. And I'm going to say this to her when we have the chat, of course, which will be in a few seconds. But it is an exceptional book. It has every beat that you can find out in a book that has character development, is saying something solid, it has the emotional journey, and it is hilarious. And I really want you all to discover Pajamas Are Forgiving when you do read it, because it is an exceptional read. A read that I actually went through from evening to night. It was a fast read, exceptional, and I think it's her best book to date. And I really believe that she is really a force of nature. And so before I say any more, I'm going to call you on stage for our little tete-a-tete. Tina, the stage is all yours. No, you sit here. My left profile is better.
My God. So I also want to share something, that this Kuch Kuch Hota story is 20 years old. And in fact, tomorrow, Karan is directing me for the first time ever for an ad film. And God save your soul, because I still can't act at all, which you'll discover.
No, I've accounted for time on that. You just asked for some more time just because I know you're in the frame. But I'm actually directing her. It's been 20 years since Kuch Kuch Hota. I never managed to get in my
remember,
first film.
Balki directed our last ad together, and you have to do a good enough job.
Yeah,
Thanks.
that was also told to me, by the way, Balki. That, you know, that ad is amazing and you have to do better than that. After she told me her book sold many more copies than mine did.
100,000 more.
All right,
copies.
so this is not about me, this is about
Okay.
you, and we're going to chat about this wonderful book. Firstly, and I think everybody in this room really wants to know why this title, Pajamas Are Forgiving.
Well, two things. One, it fits the story because in that the protagonists are wearing pajamas throughout, right from the beginning to the end. The other one, because I think it's an allegory of life itself, where if you have pajamas, and it's up to you to, find how tight you want to tie your drawstring or not. And I think by nature, sometimes we're too forgiving, our drawstring is too loose, and then we end up without any pants on. So that is one thing. But the title came to me, it was, I remember a couple of years ago, it was Diwali, and after 2 weeks of drinking and eating and having lots of mithai and wearing Indian clothes, I was standing in front of my closet and trying on a pair of jeans, and they did not fit. And the line popped into my head that salwars are forgiving in nature, it's jeans that really know how to hold a grudge. And then I waddled off quickly and I wrote it down before I would forget, and it stayed with me, and finally it became this title.
Right, pajamas are forgiving. Ranveer, are your pajamas forgiving? Oh.
I'm not going to ask him how loose his drawstring is. I don't want to know.
Well, we find out. It's all allowed now. Anyway, so wonderful title. It has amazing subtext, and I read the book, and it resonates right through the narrative. Now, before I opened the book, and of course I read the first couple of pages before I did, and I read that you've dedicated this book to your mom. Now, how come? Now, I know we all dedicate things to our parents, but in this case, I know there's a reason. That's why I'm asking, because, you know, it's all about loving your parents.
No, it's not about loving my parents. And in fact, she's surprised I dedicated this book to her because she never encouraged me in anything. She's always tried to pick faults. Right in the beginning, when I first started writing columns, one of my columns became very popular. And I called her up and I said, Mom, you know, my column is really doing well. Have you read it? And she said, no, but I wanted to tell you over dinner last night that none of your serving dishes match. So I was so pissed off with her that I said, what's the use of having you as a mother? I wish Hema Malini was my mother. At least I'd get a Kent water purifier free.
Yeah.
But on a serious note, when I look back and everything that I write about, it seems to be about women finding their place in the world, about the chafing between what a woman is and what she's meant to be. And somewhere, where is my mother?
Yeah.
And she doesn't know this story, but I think somewhere it's because I have this singular image in my head. When we were little and we moved to our grandmother's house, we all had to share a room. So my mother and my aunt would share the bed, and my sister and me had mattresses on the floor. And every morning at 5, my mom would wake up. She would put on this Jane Fonda tape. She'd put it on mute, and she would do her workout all around it. And then she would go to work. At that time, they used to do 3 shifts. And she'd come home at 9. She never complained. She always had a smile. And for me, I think it was very clear at that point that a woman doesn't have to rely on anyone besides herself. And that men were okay. It was, you know, enjoyable to have them, like a dessert, but they were certainly not the main course. And
Well, we differ, but anyway.
yeah, well, yeah. I think for you also, they're dessert, definitely not the main course. But having said that, I think that's pretty much defined my whole life, because I had this unique vantage point looking up from this mattress at this creature in a pink leotard with matching sweatbands. And she set the bar so high that I've spent my whole life reaching for it. So that's why this book and everything else I've written should be dedicated to her.
That's wonderful. Well, there you managed that. With that moment, you emerged great daughter. You've been a great wife that I've seen at close quarters myself, a great columnist, and now a great writer. And more than anything else, you're also a feminist icon. Now, how did that movement really shape itself?
Have you rehearsed these questions?
No, no, I have not. This is how I conduct my life.
I ask people questions and they answer them. That's
Coffee
pretty much
with
what I
Karan,
do.
you had a lot of practice.
You must remember, I spend my
giving-
life.
I'm
being
sure
an
you've
exclam-
already
a
given
question
her the
mark.
passage
All I
which is
want to
meant
be
to
is an
read.
exclamation mark. And from what I know, you're
That was a
about
bad
to
quote, sorry.
get into a ride that you will not forget.
I'm
Sonam Kapoor, the
definitely
stage
a
is all yours.
feminist, But I don't
But
know
an
about-
icon at that.
But I mean, no, I find the word icon itself slightly troublesome. I mean, look at it. If you say icon, it's basically I'm conning you, right? So
Would you like to stand on the podium and read or sit and
anyone
read,
who's
whatever
put on
you
a
choose?
pedestal
I think
is
that's
in a dangerous
almost better.
position because
'cause then I can
these are
sit.
very narrow, elevated spaces. One little dance, one.
All right, so
drunken
Sonam,
chicken
before
off
you
the
start,
box.
would you like to
I'm
say
not
something
any
about
sort of
Tina
icon,
before
I'm
you
just
start
somebody who
reading
does my work
immediately?
and I walk quietly on the ground. My feet
Please,
are
can you just read? Don't
So
say
you won't
anything
say
about
that.
me.
No,
People
man,
have said
we've
enough
all been
things.
paid to
Yeah,
do
because
this.
you're not at the
Don't
top.
be
You're at
silly.
the top, or are you at the bottom? I'm not sure.
You're crazy. This is a puff piece platform.
I
How
see
is
you
this
in
becoming
boots,
about
and I'm going to
me?
take those boots
I
and
really
hit you
want
over
to
the head
know.
with them.
When did this happen?
So I'm
Thank
not
you.
the best orator.
Just because
Karan,
your
as
title
you-
has
as you know,
pajamas in
I've,
it doesn't mean you take
made
mine
many
off.
faux pas
I'm not
and,
taking yours off. I'm just
shows.
saying. It just came to my head.
Yeah,
So
lots of
I
these
think
thoughts
I'll
only
just
come
go
to your
ahead
head when
and
I'm
read
sitting
somebody
next to
else's
you.
words. As an actor, that's
Oh,
my
okay, I
job.
love you too.
And
Okay,
I
now
think
when I
right
read the
now
book,
I
what
should do
struck
my
me
job
as a
well.
filmmaker
Yeah,
is
alright,
that
okay.
this is tremendous, and I really mean this. This is tremendous
so
potential
Pajamas Are
for digital
Forgiving. This is
material,
from
for
page
cinema material.
69.
It has amazing development of character. It has a fast, speedy narrative. It also has an interval point. There is a juncture that has a midpoint, and that's pretty much the prerequisite of mainstream cinema and therefore any kind of digital
The
content.
need to blink
now,
made my
was
eyes
this ever a
water
thought
till
like
finally I
other
closed them.
authors amongst you who
And
actually
when I
write
opened
for
my eyes
film
again
and-
for the next
and
round,
cinema, or this is something
I saw
that you
Jay
don't
was
mind
watching
being an
me.
upside?
His gaze fixed,
So can I let you
unwavering.
know? Not it's
The
not really a
diffused
secret.
light stripped
My
the
bio
years
in
away
Times of
from
India
him.
says that
I
I'm
could see
trying
the
to
man
change
from my
name to
youth
Chaitali
sitting
Bhagat
across
so that
another
all my
candlelit
columns
table.
become movies.
Across time itself.
So
The
are you
man
in
who
two
made me
states of
laugh
mind about
as
that?
He inadvertently mispronounced Bidet, which became
No,
my pet name
but,
for him for a few years.
I'm not in
Bibet,
that state of
I
mind
used to
at
call
all.
him,
That was
and
a
he
good
in
one.
turn
I
called me
must give you
Juju.
that.
An abbreviation for
don't really
Juju.
write for
I
movies.
hope I pronounced that correct.
Salam
Yeah.
Noni Appa became
A small
play, and
fruit that
just
tasted like a
happened
mix of
when
apples and
I wrote
dates.
Muruganatham's story. We were
I
all very
glanced back
clear
at the
that
candle but couldn't
this was
stop my
something
gaze
very
from
urgent
repeatedly
and
sliding
it
back
was
to him.
something that really needed to be
When
made for people to
Srinivasan
see it,
finally
and
switched the
Subhadev
lights
was
on
that
and
who
declared
made
that the
movie.
Tritaka class
I
had
don't
come
think
to
this
an
end
end,
goal that everything has
Jay
to
ambled
happen
over to
and
the
end
window
up
to get a
being,
glass of water from the earthen pot.
cinema. I'm
He
happy it's
turned
just a
towards
book,
me and
people like
said,
it, and that's it.
Anshu, wait.
And you're not in
I
the
want
number
to talk
game,
to you
like
for
you
a
knew how many
second.
books you sold.
Of course, I'm in the
Ivan
number
and
game.
Jenna
I
were
have to
waiting
be
for me
number
near the
one.
door, but I
At
hurried
least
them
what I
forward
do.
and walked towards
In
my
the- because I
ex-husband.
had no chance of doing
I
that
just
in
want to say I'm
acting, so I
sorry.
was like number
She had no
101.
business making all those
There were only
statements,
80
even
people.
at the clinic. I really don't know what to
So
say.
in this game, yeah, I do want to be
It's
number
all right,
one.
Jay.
I also
Everyone
want
would
sell
have
more
got to
than all
know
the
sooner
men,
or later,
because
I
right now,
guess.
all
I
the
just,
highest sellers are men, and
I
we
just
haven't
wish
been
I
able
had
to
the
break that
opportunity of
last
choosing
season.
when
I'm
to
going
tell
to
them
break that.
myself.
And do you get any kind of, and
I
this is
can only
something I know because
apologize
as
on her
filmmakers,
behalf.
we
I'm
get that
sure
level
she's
of
not
anxiety
easy to
when our
handle, but
product is out
I'm
in
going to
terms of
talk
your
to her.
opening it up to opinion, in terms
It's
of
all
critical
right,
opinion.
I repeated,
Does that, you get
bending
that
down
kind
to
of
fill a
anxiety
glass
about
from
what
the
people have to say
dispenser.
about your work?
The water was warm,
No,
my hand unsteady as I gulped it down,
I'm not
and a trickle
anxious about what
splattered
people will
onto
say
my
about my
kurta.
work.
I was
While
raising my
coming
arm to
here,
wipe my
I
mouth
was talking
when
to
he
my
caught
daughter
my
and I said,
hand.
you know, today's a big day
You
and
still
my
have
book is
this.
out and people are going to like
A
it. or they're
tiny
not gonna
circle
like
of
it. She
gold,
said,
a
"Well, Mom,
wreath
what if they
wrapped
don't
around
like
my
it?" I said, "I've
finger.
done my best, and
It
that's
was not
really
my wedding
the fact.
band
I
that I
can't
had
do anything
discarded
about
a long time ago.
But
This
after
was
you
my first
finish
present
writing
from
the
Jay.
book, what I'd
I
like
looked
to say
up-
is that
I
people
looked
would
up
think
at
you're
him.
overjoyed,
The memory
but
intertwined
actually you
in
get
my mind
depressed
with the lunch
because,
we had consumed that
you have
day.
all these lovely
Chinese,
characters in
at a
your
hole
head,
in the wall
and now
called
you have
stomach.
nothing. So I could be having dinner with
Jay
my
had
ex,
dropped
with my
toothpicks
husband,
into the chicken
but dreaming
Szechuan
about
and
having
then
sex
summoned
with
the
my
manager to
ex-husband
get
in
us
the book.
lunch on the house.
And that makes my life interesting.
We
and now
left
I
the
just have to
restaurant
have dinner with
giggling,
my
thrilled
husband
with our
with
prank,
nothing else.
promising to carry dead cockroaches
But you
and
know,
flies wrapped in
any
tissue
art
paper and
form of
stuffed into
creative
our
space
pockets
is
on our next
vicarious
date.
living.
Yeah.
So that's what I
We
think you've
crossed the
mastered,
road
like
and I
all of
looked
us
into
have. We
the
have a
store window
vicarious
behind
existence.
me.
All the things things we can't repeat.
Motiwala or
I know I can't do.
Meenawala.
I
The
put it
name
up
of the
on
store
screen.
was the one thing
And
I
I
could
think
not
that's what
recall
you're doing through
clearly,
the
and I
development
saw
of your
the gold ring.
characters.
bought it
Not
for
only
me.
that, but I'm
Do you remember?
eavesdropper.
He said, his
There-
voice
there are
echoing
quite
in
a
the
few
empty
people
yoga
here who say
pavilion.
things I quickly go,
Once in
I
the middle
write
of a
them
fight,
down,
you
they
threw it
turn
all
up in
over
my
the
books,
wall
I
of your
twist things
house.
around.
After we
And,
made up,
Pinky
we
once
jumped
told
into
me
your
a
neighbor's
joke,
garden, scrambling on our
which
hands
she
and
said,
knees,
you know, I
looking
was
for it in the
going and I
grass.
have to repeat this.
He
She said I
smiled,
was
not
going
letting
for
go
a
of my hand.
surgery. And
We found it in some
you know, I
plant,
told my
right?
husband that
Yes, it had
She was
fallen
going for a
into
surgery.
she was going for
marigold
surgery,
pot.
and she told her husband that
Almost
you know,
2
in case I
decades
don't
had
make
passed,
it,
but I
just
recall
please
that evening
make sure that all
distinctly.
my diamonds and Gucci
You
bags
took me for a long
go to my
drive
daughter,
then,
not to
and
your
when
next
we
wife.
returned, Mummy
Yeah.
was
So I went
waiting for
home
us
and I
at the door
quickly
in
wrote
her
that
Phoenix
down
driving
and
car.
put it into
The
my
one
book.
that said,
So Pinky,
I
I
love
owe you
Mickey
for that
Mouse.
line.
You remember that?
All right,
She
now
screamed,
the
"You're a
characters you
thief!"
have.
And
Also,
when I
what I
asked
noticed
her,
when I read the
"But
book,
what
that
have I
besides
stolen,
the
Mummy?" She
character
yelled
flow,
back,
the narrative,
"You
you're
have
also
stolen
saying
time.
things that are
You
relevant
had to
today.
come back
You're
at
saying
11. Now
things,
it's
so you're touching
12:30.
on
This is
topics
robbery
that are being talked
only
about.
of
You're addressing
full
it
1.5
in your
hours."
unique manner.
He laughed.
As in the manner of
He had an
humor,
odd laugh,
a manner
4
of
precise
being slightly
beats, and then
candid
it was
in your
over.
approach.
Rehearsed,
But you're
almost
definitely saying something. You
theatrical.
want to share with the people
He
before
once
they've read
told
the
me
book
that he used to
what was
stammer
your
when he
approach
was
to
very
that?
young, and he would constantly
Whatever
practice
happens
his
in the
speech,
world does
stretching
filter
out the
into your
vowels when he was in
writing,
the
and it's how you
bathroom.
interpret
I could picture
events.
him, a young
So I
boy,
would
standing
say
in
that
front of
the
the
Me Too
mirror,
movement
rehearsing
also has
various
impacted
words
all
and
of us,
probably
and
this
it's
very
not
laugh
just
after
women,
brushing
but
his
it's
teeth
men,
every
because
night.
it's made you examine
My
your
heart
ingrained
swelled for this
behavior.
little lost boy
And
that
it
I
found
knew
its
was still
way
lurking
into
there
my
inside.
book as well.
I looked
Because what
down at
was
the ring,
interesting was
my
I
hand
met a
still
friend
clasped
and he's a
within
single
his, and I
man,
said,
and he
"I'm used
told
to
me
it on my
something.
hand.
He said I was
Something's
seeing
become a
a girl
habit."
and we were
We
talking
walked
and
back
it
together
was
to the
midnight
main
and
building,
we spoke
ghosts
about
in
everything,
rustling
the
white,
tattoo on
walking
her
in the
thigh
darkness,
and the mole on her
unhurried,
arm, and then I
both
went to
making
kiss
a
her and she
tally
said
of the
no.
things we had lost.
And I didn't know what to do
Things
at that
that would
point.
never
That
be
should I go
found at the
ahead, because
bottom
if I
of-
do,
bottom of
I'm
flower
a
pots.
sexual harasser, and if I don't, I'm a loser. And I thought that was very
Thank you,
interesting
Sonam.
because he wasn't
Thank you
asleep
so
and
much
he was thinking about
for
these things,
reading
and
that wonderful
and those
passage
are the
out.
things that people never thought
Thank you
about.
so much.
Maybe
Thank you,
when we
Anupam.
were young and all these men were just kind of jumping and trying to scratch you or something.
Thank you, Sonam. Thank
so
you
I
very
think
much.
that's really interesting,
you.
and that kind of made its way into
And now,
my work
please
as
may I
well.
invite
do you
this
address the
bona fide
fine line
force of
between yes
nature
and
who's
no in
worn
the book,
pajamas
in
and
your
come
own manner?
today. And
I
to do
do
the honors, I
because,
don't need to
I think there's a
introduce
lot
him.
of
He's come already on
ambiguity
stage.
about consensual
Already.
sex, and yeah, I do address that.
Okay, that's fascinating because I did find that. I just wanted to hear it
Yeah.
from you since you created this world.
Because
And
he's
I
wearing
felt very
pajamas,
strongly
I'm going
that
to sell
within all the
10,000
humor
extra
and
books.
entertainment
Thank
and
you.
beautiful writing, there lies very strong messaging.
Thank you,
And I
ma'am.
think any
Actually,
piece
thank
of
you.
good work, when it
You are
contributes
beautiful.
to society in a credible manner and lands up entertaining you, that to me is the main source of entertainment. Well, I think, Tina, everyone can't wait to read the book. It releases now nationwide, and of course, your claim will follow internationally and nationally, like Chiki has already said. All wonderful things about you, and so have we. I think we praised you enough. But I think it's important. I think it's important for us to now hear passages. Now we have two amazing personalities with us amongst us today, and chosen and curated very beautifully by Tina to actually do the reading of the passages. I'm going to invite them on stage. I'm going to first invite, I think, a voracious reader, a fashionista, a terrific actor, national award-winning actor,
And my bad woman.
recently married and created a huge storm in a coffee cup. I'm plugging my own show when I say that. She's gorgeous, she's amazing, and she's the perfect choice for someone to come on this platform and read passages of Tina's book, Pajamas.
The consulting room had not changed in all the years I had been coming here. The sloping tiled roof, the examination bed with its brown cover, the gleaming cream walls that always looked as if they were freshly painted. The same certificates of accreditation in gilded frames arranged over the copper basin, installed into what must have once been an English Saab's writing desk, and of course, Dr. Menon, in his cream silk mundu and jubba, an embroidered stole on his shoulder. The doctor's meticulously groomed moustache, and serious demeanor, belied the sparkle in his eyes, a remnant of an impish childhood that held out against the grave endeavor of poring over 5,000-year-old Vedic texts. My shoulder is better, Dr. Menon, but the sleep issues have gotten worse. I drift off the moment my head touches the pillow, but 2 hours later, my leg jerks me awake. And it's as if my brain is giving the whole body a kick that seems to say, wake up. So now I spend night after night asking myself, wake up and do what? And I still don't have an answer. Dr. Menon loomed over me as I lay on the examination bed. Eyes closed, he checked my pulse, his fingers hovering over my wrists, my neck, even my navel was not spared. And then in his quiet, unapologetic manner, which usually held a hint of amusement, he declared, Anshu, what have you been ingesting? You always come back with a grievous vata imbalance. Chinese food or too much wine again? Walking back towards his desk, he continued, parasomnia is what Western medicine calls this disorder. But I am telling you, it is because the air element is running through your body helter-skelter. It is vata that is responsible for all your problems. I've told you this right from the first time you came for treatment. I first came to Shanta Maya 13 years ago with Usha Bua, my favorite aunt and the last link to my father. I could always see bits of him in her, in the rounded shape of her eyebrows, the way she flapped her hands when excited, and even in her minuscule earlobes that barely had space to hold an earring, let alone the multiple piercings she sported, tiny diamonds that caught the eye as she moved her head. I had been in constant pain from 2 herniated discs in my neck after a nasty fall off a ladder, of all things. So when Usha Bua decided to undertake this Ayurvedic pilgrimage for her rheumatoid arthritis, I accompanied her as well. That first trip, with its curative, rejuvenating outcome, meant that soon a visit to Shanta Maya became a biennial event. My memory, though, of the decade-old lecture that Dr. Menon was referring to was hazy. But what I did recall clearly was sitting in this room after I had finished my first tenure. I was scheduled to go back home in 2 days' time, and Dr. Menon had handed me a printed sheet. Please, no non-veg and alcohol for 2 weeks after this Panchkarma treatment. Thinking of the adjustments I would have to make at home brought another question to my mind. I hesitated at first, but then asked, Doctor, but what about, physical relations? Anshu, that also entails 2 weeks of waiting, or all the benefits of this treatment are lost. But doctor, I wailed, why didn't you tell me? What if I had not asked you, my whole treatment would have gone down the drain? To which he replied, see the instruction sheet. Point number 6 says, no vigorous physical activity. That's hardly self-explanatory, Dr. Menon. And it's not always that vigorous, Sometimes you just lie down flat on your back and think of George Clooney. Dr. Menon's expression, his eyebrows reaching high enough to salute his receding hairline, was clearly etched in my memory. Trying to redeem myself, I had ended up falling deeper into the pit with, you can also think of patriotic things like your country or the Prime Minister. A horrified pause on both ends, and I squealed. No, I didn't mean the Prime Minister, just a slip of the tongue, Dr. Menon. Manmohan Singh looming between your legs wouldn't work as a fantasy. I only meant country, like, that famous saying, lie back and think of England. Come to think of it, we as a nation did exactly that for more than 100 years. And I came to an uneasy halt with this nervous giggle. That evening, Dr. Menon stopped me near the lotus pond and handed me another printed sheet. This time assigning a new treatment which involved sitting for 40 minutes with a funnel made of dough on my head that was slowly filled with hot oil. Below the appointment time in bold letters, it said, Shirovasthi, treatment good for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and mental imbalances. I clambered off the examination bed. Yes, of course I remember, doctor. I said hastily before he decided to write down another toe-curling treatment for my memory loss. Thank you.
Well done. Thank you, Ranveer, for reading the passage so exceptionally. Thank you very much. You want to leave from there? Okay. Just be seated. before we call you up and again. Thank you. Thank you, and a huge round of applause to Ranveer Singh and Sonam Kapoor for reading passages. Tina, these passages are grand reflections of how amazing the book is. It's also a hoot, like we have just seen. And there are some risque elements that have crept into the narrative as well. And I wish you luck. Because I have a tendency of inviting trouble, and so do you. So do you. So Tina, last thoughts on this lovely day that we're having and this lovely launch that we're having.
Well, I just want to say a vote of thanks. I'd like to thank all my friends, my family for being here, for all the love, for all the support. I've already said, forgive me for eavesdropping on y'all, writing things that y'all say when y'all are sober, and especially when you're drunk. I'd like to thank my husband. Not only is he very easy on the eyes, but it's his easygoing nature that I truly cherish. My mother, superheroes don't need a cape. Your pink leotard did the job perfectly well. Thank you. And Sarita Tanwar, where are you? Put your hand up. Where are you? Give us a wave. So Sarita asked me to write my first column. She let this cow out, and now there's Gaumutra everywhere, and it's all her fault. I'd like to thank my friend and my editor, Chiki Sarkar. We are a very productive pair. Every 2 years, I produce a book and she produces a baby. And during the making of this book, we've had bitter fights. She's taken all my metaphors, aphorisms, my right kidney, and thrown it out of the window. She cut 11,000 of my words, which really hurts, but I had to concede she was right.
She did what your husband couldn't manage all these years. Yeah. Well done. You should have married her.
And, well, I guess 2019, I don't know about Modi Sarkar, but I'm definitely going to say, ab ki baar bhi Chiki Sarkar. Yeah. So can the fabulous Chiki Sarkar please come up on stage?
Chiki, we'd like for you to join us on stage. Yep. And, of course, we would love to invite the two wondrous passage readers.
The Pajama Man, thank you very much for that lovely read. And Sonam, my darling, thank you very much. You really made this evening very special. Could you two please come up on stage as well?
Please join us on stage. Thank you.
And I can see Bobby looking at me and laughing. I mean, we fought our whole lives, and now he's here looking at my book launch. Well, finally, I did something right.
So on behalf of Juggernaut, Crossword, all our partners, thank you so much for being here. Books are on sale outside, so please buy generously. Buy a copy for yourself, buy a copy for all your friends. It's a wonderful book. You'll read it in a sitting and you won't be able to forget it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was that. Good evening. And well done, Tina.
अक्षय सर या बाजूला लेफ्टला थँक्यू सर धन्यवाद थोड़ा पढ़ते हो पूनम जी हाँ क्या हुआ पीछे 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 क्या हुआ
मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ। ये बहुत ही दिलचस्प किताब है और आई एम श्योर कि अगर आप इसे पढ़ेंगे तो आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा और बहुत अच्छा मैसेज भी है।
सोनम, करण ने काफ़ी बोला था आपके बारे में, क्या लास्ट टाइम आपके सीजन में करण के सीजन में काफ़ी धमाल मचाया, इस बार का क्या है?
होपफुली इस सीज़न में भी धमाल मचाऊंगी, वो देखते हैं क्या होता है इस सीज़न में।
और बताइए, और जो अक्षय कुमार के साथ भी आपकी काफ़ी अप्रिशिएट की है, ट्विंकल एंड पैडमैन की बात हो रही थी शायद थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके, तो बताइए इसके बारे में कुछ प्लान है क्या?
पैडमैन 2 मेरे को पता नहीं, पर मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि मैं यहाँ हूँ टीना के लिए, ट्विंकल के लिए, और उनकी फैमिली के साथ मेरा बहुत लंबा रिश्ता है क्योंकि उनकी डिम्पल आंटी एंड माई मॉम आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स, so it was lovely being here and I love to support Tina. She's an intelligent, wise and forward-thinking woman and we need more such women like her. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
चलो रोल है सबका सो
Who do I look at?
रुक जा एक मिनट Twinkle, what a fabulous book. It looks to be a very fabulous read, of course very bold and brave as well. Tell us in your words, how would you put it?
Well, this is my third book, Pajamas Are Forgiving, and I guess when I look at everything that I do, it's always about women finding their place in the world, and to me personally, I think what's interesting is that here there's a woman who's interested in finding redemption and not finding a man. And the other thing is it also has an interesting premise because it's in a very stringent Ayurvedic retreat where you're in a confined environment, and when you're like in Big Boss or Survivor, when you're inside an enclosed space, all the emotions run high, and that was interesting for me.
You know, we heard the extract while it was being read. We heard the name of a very prominent political figure as well. Do you feel some kind of an outlet, maybe probably given the fact that we live in times when people could take offense even at the most innocuous of...
Well, I don't think that I've written anything which anybody would take offense to, and what has been written has been in jest. So I hope that people enjoy the humor, and I think they will.
And now 377 is legalized. What do you have to say on that?
Well, I'm wearing a dress to celebrate it, as you can see, all the colors of the rainbow, and I think it's a historic moment, and I couldn't be happier.
Why this title, Pajamas Are Forgiving? Why this title, Pajamas Are Forgiving?
Because the protagonists in the story wear pajamas throughout, and more than that, I think that we're very hard on ourselves. We wear skin-tight jeans. In a world of skinny jeans, the pajama girl is someone who's a lot more forgiving about herself.
इस टॉपिक पर फिल्म बननी चाहिए आपके अनुसार?
जी, मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगता है कि हर स्टोरी फिल्म बननी चाहिए. मेरा काम है कि मैंने स्टोरी लिखी है, and that is all I'm interested in.
एंड जी ढेरों सारे फिल्मों का रीमेक बन रहा है. आपने भी ढेरों सारी फिल्में हिट दी है हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को. आप चाहेंगे
मैंने एक भी फिल्म हिट नहीं दी है, तो थैंक यू.
ऐसे आप चाहेंगे आपकी किसी भी फिल्मों का रीमेक बने या?
नहीं, मैं तो चाहूँगी कि मैंने जितनी भी फिल्म्स की है वो शायद बैन हो जाए और कोई नहीं देखे. Most of the time I pretend that I have Alzheimer's and I don't remember my film career, so I think it makes me happier that way.
What is redemption to you?
What is redemption to me? Personally, what is redemption to me? I think at this point in my life, what is redemption for me is the fact that it's not enough that I'm somebody who's self-sufficient or I'm somebody who's achieved equality. For me, redemption is if I can help make other women's lives easier, and that I think is redemption.
Twinkle, what did Akshay have to say after reading this book?
Akshay doesn't read books.
Twinkle, in this where the paparazzi and everyone is going, probably we are to blame, but you kept your son and your daughter pretty secretive from us. So do you feel that we are kind of overdoing it? We can blame ourselves.
The times are such that I think the freedom that we enjoyed, whether it was going by train or taking a cycle and roaming around a neighborhood, those times are gone. What does scare me is that once these children become very recognizable, it is dangerous for them and for their safety, and that I think is a bit of a bother for me.
As a feminist, what would be the advice you give to your daughter?
There is no advice. I think the biggest advice you can give your daughters is by setting a good example, and I hope I'm doing that.
We just spoke to Akshay. He said your daughter is very fond of running around. She will take up to some sport.
It's too early to say. She's 5.5 right now, so it's too early. Yeah, thank you so much.
Twinkle, we saw Karan today at the book launch. Will we see you appearing in Karan shows soon?
I've done one session. I think that was more than enough, So I like my coffee black, and Karan's humor is also black, and I think we gel because of that. But I've done my bit on coffee.
Last question. आप उनके एक ad film में भी काम करेंगे जैसे करण ने बताया, कुछ बताएंगे उस ad film के बारे में something?
I think you'll have to wait and see. Thank you so much.